If you're a coach, consultant, or course creator and you're looking to attract high-ticket clients and stand out in a crowded market from all your competitors, then this is the video you're going to want to watch. Because we're going to be diving deep into how to craft a unique selling proposition for your offer to help differentiate your offer from all the competitors and make a lasting impact in your industry. Have you ever heard of the 4 laws of behavior change? It's the unique selling point that James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, built his multi-million-dollar business on. When you break it all down, it's really just a framework intended to help people create positive habits, break negative ones, and achieve remarkable results in their personal and professional lives. But James has attracted a massive following of high-ticket clients, including top performers, executives, and organizations who are eager to optimize their habits and achieve next-level success. And through his articles, tweets, courses, and of course his book, James is able to consistently show those 4 laws of behavior change, transforming the lives of the people that read the book and implement his strategies. This has helped him build a strong brand, establish credibility, and charge premium prices for his high-ticket offerings like his Habits Academy course and consulting services. And it's all because he's been able to craft and leverage his unique selling proposition, which is Atomic Habits and the 4 laws of behavior change. Now, what we want to do in this video is talk about how you can craft your own unique selling proposition for your business as well. What we're going to do is start off by identifying unique strengths to determine the approach that your business is going to take. Reflect on the specific skills, knowledge, and experience that set you apart from others in your industry. Then consider what unique processes, methods, or frameworks you could use to deliver results for your clients. You really want to ensure that you know the key elements that will make your approach different and more effective than your competitors. Once you know your strengths, you need to connect your unique selling proposition to your audience's needs. Make sure that you know how to communicate the specific benefits and outcomes that your clients can expect from your business so that you can focus marketing efforts on what will get clients to actually take action. Once that's done, the last step is to make sure that you've got that compelling name and description for your USP. Think back to James Clear. Both Atomic Habits and the 4 laws of behavior change meet that criteria of being memorable and benefit driven. You also want a description that highlights the features and benefits of your USP so the gist of your offer can be easily explained. Once you craft your USP, you'll actually be able to integrate that into your marketing and sales. But to do this successfully, you'll also want to make sure that you showcase it across all aspects of your business. If you're marketing using YouTube, talk about it in your videos. If you're doing ads, make sure that's a key component to the value that you're providing in that ad. You can start this process by featuring that unique approach on your website, sales page, marketing materials, and using it as a foundation for your content marketing and social media strategy. Also use client success stories and case studies that showcase the effectiveness of your USP and separate it from other things that have been tried before. It'll naturally build trust and credibility, making it easier to close deals that help grow your business. There's many different ways to build habits. But if you're talking about Atomic Habits or the 4 laws of behavior change, then there's only one person people can work with. Now, weaving your USP into every aspect of your business will create a powerful, cohesive brand that stands out in the marketplace and attracts the right clients, positioning yourself for long-term success and growth. But there are some potential challenges and pitfalls that come up when you're trying to create one. For one thing, you need to ensure that your USP remains truly unique and not easily replicatable by others in your industry. This will require a commitment to continuously refining and improving your approach and adapting to the evolving needs of your market. You may need to change your USP over time. That's something that we did. In the past, we had our 3D targeting strategy, but now it's all about alpha AI targeting, training the AI on how to target your YouTube ads in front of the right people at the right time. So you can see that you actually sometimes need to pivot your USP based on how the market changes over time. And having a genuinely unique USP is only half the battle. You also need to effectively communicate its value to your ideal clients, whether it's on videos, ads, marketing, your website, your offer, your sales script, everything. Without making the value proposition of your unique mechanism crystal clear, you won't be able to capture the attention of your target audience and inspire them to take action. So, in the end, a compelling USP is a game changer, especially for coaches, consultants, course creators, and experts looking to attract high-ticket clients and stand out in your industry. Having that unique selling proposition can be the deciding factor between someone working with you or working with a competitor. And that's why it's so important to identify your unique strengths, connect it to your unique selling proposition that specifically targets your audience's needs, and then integrate that unique mechanism into your marketing, your sales, and your overall process and everything you talk about, as well as your client delivery, so you can differentiate yourself and create a more lasting impact in your industry. Now, if you found this video valuable, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more actionable insights and strategies on how to grow and scale your high-ticket business. And if you know a fellow coach, consultant, or course creator who could benefit from this video, please share it with them. Thank you for watching, and remember, your unique mechanism is your key to attracting dream clients and building a thriving business that makes a profound impact in your industry.